Will Diddy be free or no bond?
Put his arm around me in an uncomfortable way, close to.
No, I keep 2 straps on me. I make sure, and I have God protecting me. I'm not scared. As long as he's behind bars, I will say if he does get out.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Damian Williams, and I'm the U.S. Attorney here in the Southern District of New York. Today, I'm announcing the unsealing of a 3-count indictment, charging Sean Combs with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking.
Hello, you guys. This is Politic Graham. Yes, you heard right, and you see it. November the 22nd of 2024, Diddy bail has been denied for the 4th time by Judge Arun S. Yes, you heard right. Why? Because of a number of reasons. Yes. On November the 27th of 2024, Judge Arun actually released a 5-page letter, explaining why he denied Diddy, aka Sean Combs, bail for the 4th time. His reasons for denying Diddy's his bail are: Judge Arun feels that Diddy is not safe in the community if out. He also feels that there's no guarantee that Diddy won't leave America if given bail. The charges of the indictment itself are too serious and are violent. Diddy's indictment, he was indicted September the 17th, and those indictment charges include federal charges that deals with S trafficking, racketeering, and transportation. The federal prosecutors that is led by none other than Damian Williams, until December the 13th of 2004, gave a stronger case in the evidence. And the reason the federal prosecution team will be led by Damian Williams until December the 13th is because, yes, due to Donald Trump's winning his position to become 47th president, he nominated Jay Clayton to replace Damian Williams to be the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York. Yes, you heard right. Jay Clayton will be replacing Damian Williams to be the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York. As you guys may know, Damian Williams is the U.S. Attorney that has recently made headlines for indicting Mayor Eric Adams for trafficking himself, as well as Diddy Combs recently in headlines. Now, the next question, why and how? Why and how? Because allegedly when FBI agents raided Diddy's homes in Miami, Florida, and Los Angeles, 130 cell phones were obtained with, in addition, 1,000 bottles of baby oil in Los Angeles was found in Diddy's bathroom. Judge Arun even mentioned how Cassie allegedly texted Diddy, "I have a black eye. You are sick to do this. What you have done." Next, Judge Arun agreed with the prosecutors' evidence of witness tampering. Judge reiterated the prosecutor's argument of Diddy reaching out to a witness from June to August of 2024. Once again, from June of 2024 to August of 2024. In his argument of this unnamed witness in regard to witness tampering, it was discussed how Diddy tried to cover up texting and communicating to this unnamed witness by deleting his messages, even how Diddy's defense team lied when Diddy's attempted bail hearing prior to this. And his defense team, when the Judge Andrew Carter asked And their response was Diddy did not reach out to any grand jury witnesses. He didn't do it. And that was a lie because it was proven that Diddy had reached out to a witness from June to August via text. To also support his decision in denying Diddy's bail, Judge Arun mentioned how Diddy instructed both his defense attorneys, his own defense team, right here that you can see. He even discussed how his attorney, he even instructed his defense team and family members to add people to three-way calls to avoid calls being traced. Diddy's even continued to use other inmates' phone numbers under an app called Contact Me ASAP and break rules as early as November the 24th of 2024. 3 days prior to the judge himself making this decision of denial. Judge Arun also discussed how Diddy's defense team argued and requested an emergency hearing November the 19th to contest Diddy's constitutional rights being violated when his cell was raided and swept November the 18th, the day prior. In that, Judge mentioned how there was a bit of contradiction to Diddy's defense team again, arguing that Diddy's notepads were all labeled legal. However, photographs that were taken during this sweep on November 19th showed that there was no such markings on all of the pads that stated legal. There was no such thing. All of the notepads did not have legal marked on them. The judge stated there is no amount of money or any conditions outside rather than 24-hour security provided by Diddy himself could make a decision to allow a bail. He also discussed the defense team's argument in comparing it to Mike Jeffries, okay? And for those who don't know who Mike Jeffries is, Mike Jeffries was indicted October the 22nd of 2024 with 16 counts for approximately of the years of 2008 to 2015 incidents with his partner Matthew Smith and his business associate James Jacobson in regards to, as you can see. Judge Arun stated that Mike Jeffries' matter differed because he was not a flight risk and had no criminal history prior to his indictment, and his indictment does not include RICO charges and violence like Diddy's indictment. And last but not least, Mike Jeffries is 80 years old as to Diddy's 55 years of age. This is also what was discussed. And with all of this discussed November the 22nd in the filing that Judge Arun released, the 5-page filing that he released on November the 22nd, he concluded in closing as far as denying Diddy Sean Combs' request to bail. He said, in closing, Diddy's motion for temporary release to be denied. Diddy's defense attorney's argument on the conditions of Metropolitan Detention Center is not enough for reasons for Diddy to have temporary release. Also, the federal prosecution team has until December the 31st of 2024 to provide Diddy access to what was taken away from him, his laptop, as well as documents to help him prepare for his trial May the 5th of 2024.
Do you agree with Judge Arun's decision of no bond? Will Diddy ever get out, or is it lights out? This is Politic Ground.